Alright, you're welcome back to this training. Here we are going to be looking at how to make your character work, the characters that we created, how to make them work, okay, and talk and maybe take action if time permits. So I'm going to be changing this scene, okay, because for you to be able to make your character work, Plotagon has a particular scene. You scroll down to urban, the last set of scenes there, and you scroll, there are lots of them that are gold plan, but I'm going to use this as what is called street-wide shot. Okay, there are two street-wide shots. One is here, street-wide shot, but this one is gold, okay, plan. So because I'm using the bronze plan, I have one streetwise shot here, so I'm going to use this one to show you how to make your character work. All right, so we have a street wide shot. Then I'm going to add an actor or a character. Okay, I'm going to add these two characters, Vince and Scott. Okay, so I'm just going to click on Vince. Okay, it's working right, and close to the character. Then the next character will be Scott. Okay, all right, so we are going to add a chat discussion. Okay, so you click on the chat icon to start a discussion. So we are going to choose one of them first, Scott, to start the discussion. Just think of anything you want to, depending on or anything, depending on what you actually want to create. Okay, you type the chat, but here I'm just going to give a kind of a short discussion. Wow, that match was amazing. Okay, then I think that is okay because of time. Then I'm going to add another chat this time around. Vince will have to respond and say, okay, I tell you, it was a great match. Let's say one of the footballers now. Okay, say Mikel was the man of the match. All right, so you see, I'm going to play it now, so we'll see how they are going to go. But before then, I have forgotten, I don't want them to be neutral. Okay, so we are just going to be kind of super excited. Okay, super excited for this one. Then let's say for Vince, say happy. Okay, Vince was happy. So any action you want them to take, you can actually choose. There are lots of them. You can choose from here. When you click on their names, it will come up with an action. Either they are agreeing or bored or happy or just anything at all. Okay, all right, let's see how our characters come alive now. I'm going to play it. Let me start from Scott. I'm playing.
Wow! That match was amazing. I tell you, it was a great match. Miko was the man of the match.
Alright, you can see how beautiful it went. Okay, now I just want to say something concerning the accent. If you want to get good accent for all your videos or all your characters you're going to be creating, you need to go for the gold plan. Okay, so you'll be able to get good characters. But if you're able to get two beautiful voices in English sounding very well, you can use it, because most of the natives are really very bad. Okay, so this is where we're going to end this video. I'm going to see you in the next video.